Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the chapter Geometry of class 5 level. Let's start with the building blocks of geometry. There are 5 building blocks of geometry: plane, point, line segment and ray. Let's discuss all the building blocks one by one. Point. A point is a mark of position which can be made by using a sharp pencil. A point has no length, breadth, or thickness. A small dot on a plain paper represents a point. Line. A line is a set or a group of points all being in the same plane and direction extending on both the sides, as the arrow on both the sides indicates that it is extended both the sides. A line has no end points. Line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. A line segment has a definite length and it can be measured using ruler. The next building block of geometry is ray. A line segment extended endlessly in one direction is called a ray. A ray has only one end point, as here we can see that this is the end point and the arrow indicates extended endlessly in one direction. Now we shall discuss more about lines. The first is intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are two lines that share exactly one point in common. In this, the point P is the point which is shared between the line L and M. The shared point is called point of intersection. So here the point of intersection is point P. Here we can see the two lanes are crossing each other, which is an example of intersecting line, and this point is point of intersection. The next line is parallel lines. Parallel lines, two lines in a plane which do not meet or they do not have any common point. Parallel lines are always same distance apart from each other. Like we can see in the figure, the distance between the two parallel lines will always be the same. If it is 2 cm, then if we measure it from any part, it will remain same. And they do not have any common point. The geometry symbol for the parallel line is this. Now let's move to the example of parallel lines. The rails of railway lines is an example of parallel lines. They are always at an equal distance from each other. The next is perpendicular lines. Lines that meet or cross each other at right angles are called perpendicular lines. We shall discuss about right angles in the further class. This is the right angle, which is 90 degree. The symbol for perpendicular is this. Now, as I have told, we will discuss about the angles, so let's start with that. When two rays are joined, there is a part which is made between the two rays, which is called angle. And the point of intersection of two rays is called vertex. So here O is the vertex and OA, OB are the arms. OA and OB are the arms and O is the vertex. Angles are all around us. Where we can see angles in real life? We can see when we play games, when we read the time, when we eat pizza, when we just see the windmills, or we can see the angles all around us. So now let's discuss about the types of angles. The first type of angle is acute angle. If the angle is less than 90, it is called acute angle. It can be 60 degree, 50 degree, 45 degree. All the angles which are less than 90 are acute angles. Next is right angle. The angle, if it is exactly 90 degree, it is called right angle. As we have discussed in perpendicular lines, that when two lines meet and they make 90 degree, it is called perpendicular lines. So this is the right angle. Next is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle are the angles which are more than 90 degree. We can say 110, 130, 140. They all are obtuse angles. More than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. The next angle is straight angle. Straight angle is exactly 180 degree. Not more than that, not less than that. Now you can see when the watch shows the time, it actually makes an angle. Now there are two more different angles. The first is complementary angles and the second one is supplementary angles. Complementary angles are the two angles which make 90 degree. When we add 54 and 36, we will get 90 degree. So 54 and 36 are complementary angles. The next is supplementary angles. If two angles that add to equal 180 are supplementary angle. When we add 120 and 60, it is equals to 180 degree. So they are supplementary angles. Now we shall learn how to draw an angle. The first step is to draw a line. The second step is to place the baseline of the protector on the arm of the angle to be measured. The point at the center of the protector should be on the vertex of the angle to be measured. After that, mark the position of the angle on the notebook using the pencil and connect the 2 points using ruler. So we will get our angle. Now, let's discuss the other topic of geometry, which is polygons. A polygon is a closed plane figure formed of 3 or more line segments. This triangle is made up of 3 line segments and it is a closed figure, so it is a polygon. The square or rectangle is a closed plane figure as it is made up of 4 line segments more than 3. And pentagon is made up of 5 line segments and it's a closed plane figure, so it is also polygons. Now let's see all the different polygons. The first one is triangle. It is made up of 3 sides. The 4 sides figure are called quadrilateral. The 5 sides figures are called pentagon and 6 sides figure are called hexagon. So here are the figures also. Here we can see it is made up of 3 line segments, quadrilateral 4, pentagon 5 and hexagon 6.